Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this Burg Wächter 2170 that I got from Peter Lewis. It takes quite a bit of force to get that open, so I need to keep that in mind when I pick this, if I can get it open. I have not picked this before. Turn this a little bit. Oh, well, that does not in any way pick like the Atlantic that I have. This guy over here. I'm quite disappointed to say this picked like a Master Lock or a Brinks. Well, there we have it. Nice and quick. Thank you all so much for watching. Peter Lewis, thank you again for the lock. I'm glad to have it in my collection. Everyone else, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to see more, and have a great day.